what has been the decision on this national games in Goa?
In fact, CM has called us for the national game discussion. We met the sports minister and chief secretary also yesterday, and the state government has told us some problems are there, like election is there in the period which we have decided for the national games. So we discuss all the possibilities, because there will be exam also during that period. There will be volunteers problem also, and election will be there. So we have decided that it will be postponed for some period, but the dates yet to be finalized, because it will be definitely after the rainy season, because after that there will be rainy season. So dates is not finalized. I will go back and then discuss with the president and secretary, and then we will finalize the date which is the suitable period, because we have to see the international calendar also. There is Olympic qualification which is starting July, August onward. So we will have to see international calendar, national calendar, the federations, national championships and all these things. Then accordingly we will fix the date. But definitely it will be after September, when the rainy season is over.
Sir, is it only the issue of security concern, or infrastructure is not ready?
No, infrastructure is not a big problem, because 2 stadiums they are currently going on, and I think it will be completed by February and or March second week. So that's not a big problem.
What about the fine? The fine has been relaxed, or the state government has to?
That the president and secretary is going to decide. The house is going to decide. But right now I cannot say about that, because it is the decision between Indian Olympic Association and the state government.
But the prima facie, the request to postpone his dates is agreed.
That is agreed because they have told us that these are the genuine problems. Although we were not agreed, but then they told us that this is the genuine problem. 2 assembly election will be there for MLA. So then this period, which period we have decided is again the MP election will be there, and this volunteers problem will
So security concerns because of this.
If you're delaying the
No, that is where we were concerned, because we have already fixed the calendar according to the dates of the national games. So now we will have to rechange, because 2 times we have already changed. Last year also the dates were there, November, then we changed to the April, March, April, and now again we will have to consider to postpone that. Definitely.
Are you looking at any other states in the meanwhile if September is getting too late?
No.
No way.
No, we are not.
36 national games is in Goa. No way.
We are not, checking that possibility, because we understand there is a problem. That is a genuine.
So is it only because of security reasons?
This is because of security reason, as well as this volunteers problem also.